Hi, Wildwood parents. Thanks for joining us for another parent help video. Today we are talking about 2-digit and 3-digit addition with and without regrouping. So the first thing we're going to talk about is an open number line. So we start with our number sentence, which is 31 plus 24. We place our largest number, which would be 31, at the start of our number line. We then take our 24 and break it apart. We're decomposing our number. So we have 2 tens, which has a value of 20, and 4 ones, which has a value of 4. We will then use that to start counting on our number line. So we take our 2 tens and we make 2 medium-sized hops, and we count by 10 as we do it. So we start at 31, jump by 10 to 41, and make another jump to 51. We then move on to our ones. We are going to take our 4 and make 4 smaller hops and count on by 1. So we have 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. So 55 is your answer to our original number sentence. The next thing we're going to talk about is a bar model. We use our bar model to help the students understand that our add-ins have the same value as our sum. And today we have 3 add-ins. We have 32, we have 40, and we have 15. So the first thing we're going to do is add together the 32 and 40. We add 2 add-ins at a time so we have less mistakes happen. So we add 32 and 40 together to get 72. After you have your 72, you're going to add your last add-in which is 15, to get a sum of 87. A bar model is more of an organizational tool than a strategy. The next concept we're going to talk about is regrouping. This is a new concept for our students. Regrouping is probably what you know as carrying. And it's when you are adding in one place value and the sum is larger than 1 digit, so you will need to regroup. An example of this would be 6 plus 5 equals 11. It would not stay in one place value. So when you're regrouping, you start with your number sentence just like any other strategy that we use. You're going to draw your base 10 blocks. So we currently have 2 tens and 7 ones for our 27, and our 3 tens and our 4 ones for 34. After we draw our blocks, we're going to count our ones units. We end up with 11, which is equal to 1 tens rod and 1 ones unit, which means we need to regroup. To regroup, we take our 11 ones and we trade out 10 of them for 1 tens rods. So that means we have 1 unit left. Then you count your tens blocks to find out your total. We have 2 over here and 3 over here, which gives us a total of 5 tens rods, but we regrouped 1, so that makes it 6. So our answer is 61. So on a side note, we do not stack our add-ins vertically yet. This is so we are sure the students understand what regrouping is before we teach them the algorithm. The vertical stacking is the way that we learn to add in school. So we will start with 2-digit addition and then move towards 3-digit addition. These strategies will be used for both. Thank you for watching our video and start looking for more in the future.